and welcome to our video all about the Moon. The Moon is a fascinating object in the sky. It's the largest natural satellite of our planet, Earth, and it's been orbiting around us for billions of years. Let's start with some basic facts. The Moon is about 1/4 the size of Earth, and it's about 238,855 miles away from us. It might seem far, but compared to the vastness of space, it's actually quite close. Now, let's talk about why the Moon looks different throughout the month. Have you ever noticed that sometimes it looks like a crescent, and other times it's a full circle? Well, that's because the Moon is reflecting sunlight, just like the Earth does. As it moves around us, the amount of sunlight it reflects changes, which is why it looks different from day to day. Another interesting thing about the Moon is that it doesn't have an atmosphere like Earth does. This means that there's no wind or weather on the Moon, and there's no air to breathe. If you were to visit the Moon, you'd need to wear a special suit to protect yourself. Now, let's talk about some of the famous Moon missions that have taken place throughout history. The first human landing on the Moon happened in 1969 during the Apollo 11 mission. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin were the first humans to step foot on the Moon. Since then, there have been several other missions to the Moon, and we've learned a lot about it from studying the rocks and soil there. Finally, let's talk about some of the fun myths and legends that people have associated with the Moon throughout history. Some cultures believe that the Moon is made of cheese, while others believe that it's the home of mythical creatures like werewolves. Of course, we know that these are just stories, but they're still fun to think about. So, there you have it, a brief introduction to the Moon. It's an incredible object in our sky, and there's still so much to learn about it. Who knows what other exciting discoveries we'll make in the future.